There are two ways to make a reservation from the event list. You can either click directly on View Calendar and make a reservation from there, or you can click on New Reservation. This is where you're going to select the day you want to make a reservation for, and the number of flyers and spectators in this case. After we click See Available Times, you're going to click on the time you want to make a reservation for. On our contact page, the minimum requirement is having a last name. We do recommend filling out the email and phone number. That way you have a contact for the person. If you keep track of who the reservation was created by, this is where you would select that here. After we fill in the information, what we're going to do is click on Save Reservation, and then we're going to add it to the shopping cart. So I'm going to click on Continue. If we go to the bottom left, we're going to click on Check Out. And if this person is paying with a card, we're going to click on Credit Card. From here, we're going to type in the card number. After our payment processes, it's going to take us to the reservation page. This is also where we can make another reservation for a different day and time. So if you look to the right, we have our calendar view here. This is where you can also click on the day you want to make a reservation for. On the left, after you select the time, we're going to click New Reservation. At the bottom right, we're going to select our number of tickets, and then we're going to hit Save Reservation. If I hit Continue, what we're going to do is click on Adjustments. This is where you can split the payment if needed. So for example, if someone wanted to pay for 2 out of the 4 flyers, you would just click on the drop down and select the 2 and hit Apply Adjustment. This also works if you wanted to take a deposit. So for example, if someone wanted to put down a $150 deposit, you would just type that in and hit Apply Adjustment. From there, we're going to click on Checkout, and I'm going to click on the cash option. If you type in the cash received, it'll also tell you how much change to give back. Once we go back to our reservation, it's going to tell us how much that person still owes. So for example, they owe $256.60. So to pay for that remaining amount, what I'm going to do is add it to the shopping cart. If they wanted to add a photo package, what we're going to do is click on Merchandise. In the drop down at the top, we're going to select the reservation, and we're going to select the number of photo packages. So if they just want to buy one, we're just going to buy one and add to cart. From there, I'm going to click on Checkout, and I'm going to select Terminal. If you use our terminal, it's very easy to use with the system. Once I select the terminal, I'm going to hit Process Payment. This is where I'm just going to tap their card to the terminal. After our payment processes, as you can see now, the total amount is paid for.